For the competition Google Gemini long context, I was working on this project, YouTube Action Insights Generator. The intuition for this is that YouTube contain lot of rich information, and they are the direct source of viewers feedback and engagement. Just by analyzing YouTube comments, we can gather actionable insights. For example, just by identifying positively engaging users, you know who are the users who you can upsell. Just by identifying what viewers want, you will be able to find valuable ideas for next videos. Just by identifying the constructive feedback, you will now know the direction for the improvements. These are just tip of the icebergs, and there can be many more insights. But one problem is that YouTube contains lot of relevant noise. For example, there are hate comments, not relevant promotions, random jokes, etc. Much more than that, manually reading comments and generating insights by reading all the comments is very hard. Thus, now it's a right time to actually generate insights using Gemma. Why? Because Gemma can process 2 million tokens at once. So we can take all the comments of your YouTube channel and send it in a single API. Just by asking relevant questions, we will be able to get actionable insights. Next, we'll talk about the data. So for this exercise, I used YouTube API to extract all the comments and video descriptions of the past 2 year YouTube videos on the YC channel. I got around 223 videos and around 9,000 comments for those videos. So here is the sample data where I have the video ID, title, description, etc. And the sample comments are the text and who is the author who wrote it and the corresponding video ID. The next step is that once you have the information, we can convert that into a context. So what we do is I create the title and I added all the comments for the single video. Now for the channel context, we combine all of them. Thus we created the channel prompt. The next steps are typically easy. You generate the Gemma key, we create the system prompt and the context prompt. One interesting thing is that, since we are going to pass the same context, that is the same YouTube channel comments for all the questions, we can store the context in the cache. This way, each call we are not passing the context to the LLM every time. Thus, we are saving time and money. Now we'll talk about the applications. See, the first question we want is identify what the users want. For example, here the people are complaining that they are talking more about EA and SaaS. Can you talk about other products also? Third videos they want is they are talking mostly about USA. So we want to know about the international founders. How they want more videos on that. Next interesting insight is who are my positively engaging viewers. Just able to categorize the users which I didn't ask for it. And it also specifies what are the criteria I took to identify the users, which I really liked. The next question I asked is that what are the people actually, videos the people actually find it useful. And the people actually liked the actionable advices for the early stage founders, and the honest feedback about financing, etc. The next question I ask is, can you give some constructive feedback? And one feedback that is came across is they want a good production quality. For example, improve the audio quality, have a good caption, etc. So Y Combinator team should focus on all of these things. So these are the questions that I feel will be useful for the YouTubers, and there can be more questions also. I think it's useful. Thanks.